For years, there has only been one king of drones, DJI. But this drone has a feature so insane it might actually make every DJI drone obsolete. This is the Insta360 Anti-Gravity, and it does something no other drone can: shoot 8K 360 video. This is not a gimmick, it changes everything. Today we're going to show you why DJI should be terrified of this drone. Think about it, for the last decade, if you wanted a drone, you bought a DJI. They release a new drone every year, and every year it's a little bit better. A tiny bit better. But this new drone isn't a little bit better, it's completely different. A new challenger just entered the ring, and they didn't try to make a better DJI. Insta360 asked a crazy question. What if you never had to aim the camera, ever? What if you could just capture literally everything all at once and decide what the shot is later? Today we're putting that to the test with everything we know before it comes out in August 2025. Let's see if this thing can actually beat DJI. Don't get me wrong, DJI drones are amazing. They own 70% of the entire market for a reason. They're super reliable, the quality is incredible, and when you buy one, you know you're getting a great flying camera. But that's the problem. They've gotten boring. The updates are tiny. We've all just accepted that to get an amazing drone shot, you have to be the world's best pilot and camera person at the same time. Everyone who has flown a drone knows this pain. You do a perfect flight, but the camera was pointed wrong. The shot is gone, forever. You have to fly again. This is the exact problem that let Insta360 walk in with a completely different and maybe better idea. Look at this thing. The Insta360 Anti-Gravity is here and it's crazy. It's a small folding drone just like you'd expect. And the most important part, it weighs under 249 grams. That is a huge deal. It means in many countries you don't need to register it so anyone can fly it. But forget all that because this is where it gets insane. Look at that camera. It has two giant fisheye lenses, one on top, one on bottom, to see everything. The entire drone is built to be invisible in the final video. The arms, the motors, gone. It's an invisible eye in the sky. We can also see some crazy stuff from the preview images. There's this massive metal heatsink because this thing needs insane power to process 8K video. And look, a hot swappable battery, which is a must for creators who need to film all day. We can also see two sensors on the front to help you not crash, and it looks like you could easily add parts and make repairs. Okay, enough talk. Let's get to the magic. This drone captures everything in 8K 360 degrees. Let me show you what that actually means. It's not a wide angle shot. It is a giant video file of everything. Up, down, left, right, you get all of it. This completely separates flying the drone from filming the video. Imagine this. To get a shot of me walking, I'd normally have to fly the drone backward perfectly while keeping myself in the frame. It's super hard. With this drone, I just fly. Anywhere. I can fly it sideways, straight up, I don't even have to think about the camera. Then in the editing app, I can make literally any shot I want. I can start with a huge landscape, then pan a camera over to me, then do a crazy crane shot. I can make 20 different videos from one flight. You never miss the shot because you captured every shot at once. This is called reframing, and it is a legit game changer for anyone who makes videos. You can make a 16:9 YouTube video and then use the same clip to make a perfectly framed 9:16 vertical video for social media. And with their flow state stabilization, the video is always super smooth. This one feature literally changes how you make videos with a drone. If you think this 360 reframing is insane, hit that like button right now. It helps us know you want to see more stuff like this. Okay, a crazy camera is cool, but can this thing actually fly? Insta360 says they want anyone to be able to fly this thing in seconds, so it should be super stable and easy to control. And that 8K video is so important. When you reframe a 360 video, you're basically zooming into the file. Starting with 8K means your final video will be super sharp, maybe even sharper than a 4K video from a traditional drone. But you have to give it to DJI, they are the kings of flying. The DJI Mini 4 Pro can probably fly further and handle more wind. That system is trusted by pros for a reason, and DJI is a master at color and shooting in the dark. So even with 8K, if you need the absolute best flight performance in bad weather, DJI probably still wins. Okay, this drone is not perfect, let's be real. Here is where DJI still destroys the anti-gravity. First, avoiding crashes. This drone has sensors on the front, that's it. But DJI's new mini drones have them everywhere. Front, back, top, bottom, sides. They are way safer to fly, especially for beginners. DJI wins big here. Second, the DJI World. The DJI Fly app is amazing. There are a million accessories. The community is huge, so you can find a tutorial for anything. Anti-gravity is brand new. They're launching a community hub, but it will take a long time to catch up to DJI. And finally, we still don't know the flight time, the range, or the price. And DJI is the king of making things at a giant scale. It will be really tough for Insta360 to beat them on price. I need you to spam the comments right now. Is 360 reframing a game changer you would actually use, or is it a gimmick? Go! So the final question is, does the Insta360 Anti-Gravity make the DJI Mini obsolete? For a content creator, a vlogger, or anyone who wants total creative freedom, the answer is a massive yes. This drone is a revolution. The power to shoot first and aim later is an insane advantage. It lets you focus on the story, not flying the drone. But if you're a professional who needs the most reliable drone, the best crash avoidance, or you just want the easiest flying experience, DJI is still the undisputed king. It's that simple. Their flight systems are the best for a reason. The anti-gravity isn't a DJI killer for everybody. It's something that will shake up the entire industry. It brilliantly found a weakness that DJI completely ignored. It proves there's still room for crazy ideas in the drone world. And this competition is amazing because now DJI has to get more creative, and that is a win for you, for me, for everyone.